welcome back.
Oh yeah.
He hasn't robbed the motorhome. So we're doing something a bit different tonight. A little bit scared. We're stealth moding on Cannock Chase.
Don't tell anyone.
So we've been walking over Cannock Chase most of the day, a big hike.
Yeah.
Both had a shower, got warm. Paul's going to go and put the gas back on now. And then we're going to do a cook with me.
Yes.
Tonight in the van.
A cook with me.
And then tomorrow we're going to take you on an adventure around Cannock Chase on our bikes in the snow and see if we survive it. So
-5 tonight.
-5 tonight. Yeah, it's going to be freezing. So watch that space with Cannock Chase and if we survive.
Hence the get up.
And hopefully Paul's not dressed like that a bit later on when he's eating his dinner.
No. Yeah, it's me. Leave it to it in there. Whoa, I need some light out here. It's lovely out here. Not that you can see me, but look. That is the get up tonight. It's a bit spooky. Right, let's go and get this gas on. There are 2 bottles in here. Oh dear. 2 bottles in there. You just do what it says on the tin. Open one way, close the other. And we're on. Always open it fully as well.
Two seats forward, sunrise breaking the night. Mountains breathing, lakes holding the light. We don't chase noise, we follow the sky. 2 seats forward, just us and the drive.
I mean, in the warm. Right, today's ingredients are: we only have spaghetti, lean mince beef, steak beef, some mushrooms, a spaghetti bolognese sauce, fry light, chopped tomatoes, 2 onions, some bake at home white dinner rolls, some cheese for Sabrina, and some watermelon slices. Strange choice.
So we started cooking now. Put the mince on, the 5% fat mince. And I hate lately. Well, they've started putting the mince in wrappers where they air tight it. And you can't, it just takes ages to break it down. So yes, we're going to make this in the motorhome today. We'll chop some onions now, see how we get on with that.
The van's warming up, the heating's kicking in. 20 degrees it's set at, whilst the main lady...
Well, we've got to chop this in half, haven't we? Because you don't...
I prefer it chopped.
Why don't you like it whole?
Smaller than that.
You're going to have to chop
Because when I shovel it in my mouth, all the ends of it go in my beard.
We've got the minces in. Pasta's on.
Can you hear that sizzle?
Got in.
Cook with me.
I've got my pyjamas on.
Ooh, little cockapoo number.
Warm and cosy. Now, you don't
still
like
in the
mushrooms, so I'm going to have to put the mushrooms in whole.
Yeah.
Because if I cut them up, you won't...
No, I don't like mushrooms.
You won't be able to flick them out. So if I put the mushrooms in whole, you won't be offended if you find one.
No.
You should try one.
I'm okay.
You can eat them raw, you know.
I'm all right.
Try one. I've never tried it. Actually, that's okay.
Not for me, mate. Not for me.
Right. I've just put the white bake at home dinner rolls in. Go into the little oven down here on the hobby, which is warming up already. We want to start cooking more in here than keep having takeaways. Oh my god, I've just nearly set the place on fire, look. Oh, don't put plastic near the hob, look.
What? Start cooking more? In here? You want to start smell it? Burnt plastic. But anyway, as we are slowly coming to terms with this van, we have decided the dry robes will be stored in each corner above our heads. So if we need them, we can pick them up straight away. And the Highland cows are there. We have gone full swivel mode. That's me outdoor hat, gloves, balaclava.
Because you're Robin.
Robin. Live in action. But if anyone was wondering, by any chance, what the time is, there you go.
Season it with some pepper.
Some what?
Pepper and salt.
Well, that was a little twisty action.
It's cooking alright, to be fair, isn't it?
It's going to be to gas on.
We've not ever cooked. We only put in cooking here, steak. It's the first time
Yeah.
proper food.
Still no neighbours.
So naughty.
Locking the bloody door then.
Let's hope all the boy racers don't come up here. Disturbing your beauty sleep.
Put my balaclava on. I'll be out the door. Concentration.
It worked hard. How many calories did we burn off? 1,000 on that walk today?
1,400.
1,400 for you and 1,000 for me. As usual, you get more.
Standard.
Some spaghetti.
Ho ho ho.
Any more?
Now I'll have to chop that up.
Oh, you haven't got the right equipment. So you don't want any mushrooms?
No thanks.
So I've got to try and flick your mushrooms out.
Yep.
That was a good label of no mushrooms.
It's got onions.
Oh, it's good for you.
Okay.
Let me try and eat mushrooms. I'd rather the mushrooms to the mince.
I don't want no more, that's enough for me.
Is that enough for you? There's a little bit of sauce
So,
there.
just a feeder, you've just added more.
There we go.
Bosh.
Look at that.
Bosh. Well done,
Happy?
babe.
Thanks.
Well, that was bang on. However, I told you this would happen. All my pasta's left. I prefer the other pasta.
Curly pasta.
Curly pasta or shells. But Sabrina likes this pasta. So we obviously have this pasta. Let me know in the comments what you lot prefer. The long twizzly stuff, and now it's all here. Or short curly stuff. And you can get the short fat ones now, can't you? The big thick ones. Like tubey, really nice. Really nice. So anyway, how was your dinner?
I really enjoyed it.
Well, we didn't play Monopoly because Paul took lots of pictures of Sabrina snoozing
off your plate?
with inappropriate, weird filters on, which he found highly
Licked it.
amusing.
Really tight that was, wasn't it?
Beautiful. Really
Do now
good.
some editing? No?
Not yet. I was editing how much you've talked.
Bit of a clean,
Definitely you're going to do a clean.
bit of a wash up, and then
But
again.
we could do Let's Wash Up with Paul.
No, we won't do let's wash up before. Because Paul's got to go outside and make sure we're safe.
You better cover up.
So anyway, let's get the Monopoly out. certainly fresh. These little Temu torches, a couple of quid off Temu. They open up quite wide, as you can see, but also when you pull it, it goes for miles, well, a couple of 100 yards. I mean, look, all the way down there. See, it's really good, isn't it? That's the end of the car park. Anyway, that's my Temu torch. I thought I heard a car. He was parked here. Thought we was going to get the dreaded knock, but luckily we didn't. So I got my puffer coat on to make me look all manly. My head torch and my Temu torch. But he's gone. We'll get some sleep. Oh, bloody shattered. Full moon. Try and get it there.
Morning. Well, we slept well. We didn't get got in our stealth camp across the chase. There was loads of little birdies out here just. So I've chucked some bread out. So I'm going to try and see if they come, little robins. They were out there. But these are the current views. Snowy. Not as snowy as some people have had in Wales though. We've got some forecasted for this afternoon. Honestly, it's so lovely to wake up like this.
Found a lovely little spot over near Cannock Chase to take our bikes for a ride, and we dressed
To impress?
in all the gear.
No idea. Will we survive it?
We shall see.
Paul got some balaclavas, so we look a bit dodgy. This is what they were for yesterday, not for Paul to be out dodging around motorhomes.
Really good, isn't they?
Yeah. So we're trying to get some footage, aren't we? Some nice footage up here on the bikes.
See how we get on.
Wish us luck. Well, we must be crazy. Paul is going to try and go across some of the ice on the lake on his bike. So this could be an epic fail. I would piss if he fell in. I would cry laughing. Here he comes. Can he do it? Can he do it? Go further. Get on the ice. Oh, that. You scared?
Stand up. Oh, it's babe, it's nothing.
Look, that dog's gone on. Go on. See if Paul's brave enough to stand on the ice.
We've got no chance today.
Come on.
No chance. I'll tell
Yeah,
you
but
what.
I tell you what, you've not had chocolate for 2 days. You'd
Yeah.
fly across that.
Right, you've been on Monjaro for 6 months. So you go and stand on there.
I'll
See how
try.
you get on.
Try and stand on it. I'll go in. Right, I'm going to brave it. Oh. Oh. Oh, it feels rock solid, Paul.
Yeah. Let's go on to the white bit.
Hey, the white bit's still hard.
Go on then.
But I'm scared I'm going to slip. Oh, that made a cracking noise. The swaps if I don't want to take that in if I have to get out. You're going to try. Let's say something now. Oh gosh, I'll go a little bit further then. No! No! Did you hear it?
Go on.
Did you hear that?
Do it for a sub. Wonder if I'll stamp.
Oh, sorry. Don't do They're your crackers. Oh, did you hear that? You do it?
No, no! It's not holding your little baby weight.
Go on.
No, I'm alright, thanks. It is nice here. Beautiful. Dogs like jumping in here too. Don't they?
What, sorry?
Dogs like jumping in here.
Love it.
Yeah, they felled a hell of a lot of trees up there. All there used to be covered. But I don't know what's going on. We have Cube Pro Reaction Bosch engine. I think it's 11 speed, isn't it, or 9 speed? And then it's got turbo, AMTB, tool, eco, off. So when you're going downhill, you can turn it off. The pedal assist, not throttle electric. So basically, up to 16.5 mile an hour, it'll assist you.
I think it will spin off now.
And then it cuts off after 16.5. You can buy a chip, but we haven't done that yet. Off she goes.
Keep watching for comedy gold. Paul gets twatted in the head by the Neo 2 Follow Me drone.
Engine humming soft and low, every mile a place to grow. Dusty highway stretch and unwind, new horizons what we're hoping to find. No destination, just a journey's call, standing taller